Meaning of inordinately.
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 Inordinately. The word inordinately refers to something excessive or beyond reasonable limits. It is an adverb that is used to describe a situation or behavior in which there is too much of something. For example, a person who eats inordinately is eating excessively and beyond what is necessary for their health. Similarly, an inordinately loud noise is one that is excessively loud and can cause discomfort or harm. The use of inordinately indicates that the degree or amount of something is beyond what is considered normal or appropriate, leading to potential negative consequences.